Do you want to learn how to use Pikzels Analyze feature? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use it, so let's get to it. First, you need to go over to pikzels.com, log into your account. If you don't have an account, I have a link in the description. You can go through that and sign up for an account. Next, you need to click on this new chat and then press on Analyze here. You can also go with the prompt or recreate version. They also show you the score for these thumbnails, and then you can analyze it and make a better one. I'm going to show you how to do that next. First, let's press on Analyze. Over here, you can upload your thumbnail image, or you could go with a link and also type in the title. So for me, I'm going to go to one of the Mr. Beast videos. So go over to YouTube channel. Then over here, let's take this thumbnail. So let's press on this three dots and click on share. Click on copy here. Go back to Pikzels, paste this link and the title. So let's take the same title, World's Fastest Man versus Robot. Let's click on Analyze and it's going to take in 5 credits. Now it has given us a score. So you can see here on the top left of this thumbnail. Click on that and you'll see all these metrics. It currently gave this a score of 86. You could press here on this one click fix button to increase the score. But for this one, I think they're not going to allow it. So let's go over to prompt. I'm going to go over to ChatGPT as well and ask it to give me 5 prompts for thumbnail generation on topic Bigfoot sighting. Now it's going to give us these prompts here. Let's copy this one, the first one, and paste it. I'm also going to add at the end, add text, real footage inside these quotation marks. Then you need to press on generate. It's going to take 20 credits. And there you go. Our thumbnail has been generated. Looks nice. But on the top left, you'll see the score. This is 70. So let's press on that. And our metrics for virality, idea, and curiosity are low. So what we can do is you can press on this one click fix. It's going to take in another 20 credits, but it's going to correct these 3 metrics and increase them. So let's press on it. And now it has added this whole prompt with what needs to be changed. All right, so this is what it did with one click fix. And you can see it looks much better than the last one. And if I click on this top left score, you're going to find that all the metrics are currently very high. This will surely have a much higher CTR compared to this old one. Now I'm going to show you 2 more examples of the Analyze feature in use. So here I gave it a prompt for F1 crash scene, and you can see this. Again, I just go over to this score and one click fix, and this was the result. Looks much better. This was another one, ultra luxury Dubai scene. Again, this was 57 score. So I pressed on it, one click fix. This looks really nice. And yeah, that's it. That's how to use the Pikzels Analyze feature. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Pikzels related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.